This is a fit for a 2010 through 2020 and likely beyond Toyota Tundra CrewMax with a 5.5 foot bed. We've previously outfitted the vehicle with the RetraxPRO XR truck bed cover, and here we're featuring the Yakima SkyLine HD bar base rack system. The system is using the HD bar, 68 inches in length, the SkyLine Towers, and the landing pad ones, 2 sets, which connect into the track of the Retrax tonneau cover. This system has a max weight carrying capacity of 220 pounds, evenly distributed. Crossbar spacing is variable along the length of the tracks. The bars feature the T-track mounting for T-track compatible accessories, as well as a tie-down at the end of each bar end cap. This offers tools-free quick release. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.